Hello everyone, welcome to Pably Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Pipedrive and Google Sheets. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new deal is imported in Pipedrive, it will automatically add a new row in Google Sheet. Now Pipedrive is an excellent sales CRM software and Google Sheet is an awesome spreadsheet program. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Pipedrive to Google Sheets. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Pipedrive and Google Sheet. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pably Connect to integrate Pipedrive and Google Sheet. And the best part of using Pably Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pably.com in your browser. Pably.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pably.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pably Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pably Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pably Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Pipedrive to Google Sheets. Pipedrive to Google Sheets, and then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Pipedrive? Okay, now in the trigger event, now we want to send the data when a new deal is made. So let's make it as new deal. Okay, so new deal is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically an if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new deal is made, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more trigger events such as new organization, new person, new product, new pipeline, new node. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pably.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new deal is made in Pipedrive. Okay, so just click on connect with Pipedrive. Okay, so now in the new credentials, we have to fill in the API token. Okay, so to get the API token, let's have a visit to Pipedrive. So this is my Pipedrive account. So I'm going to go to this part, my profile, click this. Then I'm going to click on company settings, click this. Then I'm going to go to this part called as personal preferences, click this. Okay, so here you will find at the right side API, click this. So this is your API token. Simply copy this and just paste it here. Excellent. And just click on save. Okay, so basically at this point you have integrated Pipedrive to Pably Connect. So how about we enter the company domain? So to get the company domain, let's again go to Pipedrive and just copy these characters. You have copied this. Okay, so basically all the characters from this slash to this dot. Okay, so basically this is your subdomain. So copy this and paste it here. Okay, so all you have to do at this point to complete the integration is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that we have integrated Pipedrive to Pably Connect. This means anytime a new deal is made in Pipedrive, Pably Connect has to capture this data. So as to ensure that Pably Connect captures this data, click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let me go to Pipedrive and let me create a dummy deal. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on this plus button. Then I'm going to click on deal. Okay, so we're going to create a contact and then create a deal. So the name of the person is Johnny Depp. No. Okay. Nicolas Cage. Nicolas Cage. Okay. So the title of the deal is Nicolas Cage deal and he works in Fox Studios. Okay. So he works in Fox Studios. and the value he is generating is 300 in terms of USD, that is US dollars. Okay, so then we can also enter the phone number 131323913. Okay, so this is the phone number. Okay, so also we can enter the email nicholas123@gmail.com. Okay, so basically we have entered all the important details to create a deal. Just click on save. Okay, so a deal called as Fox Studios deal has been created. So let's have a look in Pabbly Connect. Since it is integrated with Pipedrive, has it captured this data or not? Okay, so this is the API response and it is showing all the details. For example, it is showing the detail at which it was created, the time at which was created. And then we have, let me see, the person name, that is Nicolas Cage. This is the organization name, that is Fox Studio. And this is the value, that is $300. Excellent. So basically now we are ready to sync all this detail to our Google Sheet. So to do that, all we have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Google Sheets? Google Sheets. Okay, because we want to sync all the data to Google Sheet. That is why. Now in the action event, we are going to select the action event as add new row. Okay, so add new row is an action event. There are many more action events like delete a sheet, append a value. All of them are bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. Okay, so at present, I just wish to add a new row in Google Sheet. So now your obvious question is, why are we keeping the action event as add new row? Well, it's actually pretty simple. To explain you that, let me show you my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. So it has been titled Pipedrive, and these are the columns I have: name, organization, deal, and description. Now coming to the question why we have kept the action event as add new row, that is because I want to append the data into each rows one by one. So basically all the data will be introduced into adjacent rows one by one. That is why. I will actually explain you better when we start mapping in the detail. Okay, so at present just click on connect with Google Sheets. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so I have to choose a account. So as you can see, this particular Google Sheet called as Pipedrive is present in this account. I am selecting this account. Okay, so now it is asking me to confirm my choice. So before you click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so in the spreadsheet, it is showing it as Pipedrive, and when we expand it, we will see many other spreadsheets. So basically, these are all the spreadsheets that I have in my account, and since we are interested in mapping all the details to this particular spreadsheet, so I'm selecting it as Pipedrive. Okay, so now in the sheet, it is showing it as sheet 1. This is because there is only one sheet, that is sheet 1. Okay, so we have selected sheet 1. So coming to this column called this blank called as name. So as you can see, we have 4 blanks. Okay, name, organization, deal, and description. So basically these are all the columns we have. Basically this is a row: name, organization, deal, and description. So all this row is present in as a blanks in Pabbly Connect. So basically we have to map all the details in each of these blanks. So for example, in the name, all we have to do is just click on this button. This is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we can see the details that we have received here. Okay, so these are all the details that is present here. So let's start mapping. We are just going to map in the name. So the name was Nicolas Cage, and the organization was Fox Studios, yes. And then the deal was of $300. Okay, so this is the one. And in the description, we can add something important or more. Okay, so we are going with the time at which it was created. So where is the time? So it must be above up. So okay, so this is the time at which this deal was created. Okay, so basically we have entered all the details. All we have to do is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been given to Google Sheets. So let's have a look. Okay, so we have fetched the details. So the name is Nicolas Cage, the organization is Fox Studio, the deal is worth $300, and this is the description. So in the description we have added the time. Okay, so it's okay. So basically the presence of this data in Google Sheets shows that we have successfully integrated Pipedrive and Google Sheet with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and I'm just minimizing my action window. And also I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Pipedrive and Google Sheet. Okay, so let me go to Pipedrive, and what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make one more deal. Okay, so deal it is. So the name of the person is, how about Amy Stewart. Okay, so this is the name, and the organization she works is Tesla. Okay, okay. So how about we go with Rainbow Academy. Rainbow Academy. Okay, some random organization, and then the value is 100 or 1000. Okay, and the phone number of this person is. So this is the phone number and this is the email. Okay, so we entered the email. Okay, so okay, we are ready to create a deal. So just click on save. Okay, so our new deal called as Rainbow Academy deal has been created. So let's have a look in our Google Sheets. Yes, as you can see, we have a deal called as the data regarding the deal. So as you can see, this is the name, Amy Stewart, Rainbow Academy, and the deal is of 1000 rupees. This time it's in rupees, and this is the description. That is basically the time at which it was created. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new deal is created in Pipedrive, it will be reflected as a data or as a row in Google Sheet.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.